How to with Mr. Simon, new and fun life skills. On today's episode, we will learn how to use Teachtown at home. Teachtown is a wonderful program that will allow you to learn great life skills all from your computer. Teachtown has an app that you can download in the App Store to use on your tablet or phone while you're on the go. How to log into Teachtown. Let's get started. When you go to Teachtown, you will come to a login screen like this. I have already assigned assignments for you. What you'll need to do is click on the Quick Start button once you enter this screen. As you'll see, Quick Start is located at the bottom right. Once you get to the screen that says Computer Lessons, you will click Start. As you can see, this student is preparing to do some Teachtown inside of her home. She's putting her headphones in. You will want to have some headphones while using Teachtown. It shows amazing videos at the beginning of each lesson. Here's an example of a Teachtown lesson. Make sure your headphones are in.
For playtime today, it's Ginger's turn to pick an activity. Children, slowly walk over to the rug and sit down. Once you sit down, stay seated.
I want to play I Spy!
Bammo, bammo!
I like to play I Spy.
Me too! Great! Ginger, let's start playing.
No, you're standing up. The teacher told us to stay seated. It's good to listen to the teacher.
Oh, you're right. I want to listen to the teacher. We'll stay seated on the rug, just like the teacher said.
Great! We're staying seated. Now we can play. I spy with my little eye something colorful.
Is it the crayons? Crayons are colorful.
Nope, it's something big.
Oh, I know the answer. It's... Oops. I'm standing up. I have to stay seated on the rug like the teacher said. There, I'm sitting. Now we can play. Ginger, do you spy the big rug that we're sitting on right now?
It's something that is big, colorful, and round.
It's the globe. The globe is big, colorful, and round.
That's right, Mochi. That was fun.
Yeah, I'm glad we stayed seated on the rug. If we stay seated on the rug, can we play again, Ginger?
Sure. I spy children who are following the teacher's directions.
I know. That's all of us. Because we're staying seated.
Yeah, you're right again, Mochi.
Well, Teachtown adapts to your learning styles automatically. Teachtown is great for finding your strengths and weaknesses. It has other lessons inside of Teachtown also, like math, reading, and writing. Each day, you do 20 minutes of Teachtown to improve your life skills. Social stories, what to do if you're ever faced with bullies, how to get along with others, so many amazing lessons. I will be able to keep track of your progress and email it out to your parents so that they can see your wonderful work. Are you ready to have some? Log on to Teachtown. Your goal is at least 20 minutes per day. You can do it. Can't wait to hear how much fun you're having. Parents and guardians, if you have any questions, please call, text, or email. I will make sure I get your child started. Thanks for watching. Take care.